morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, in which part of the world you know they. As I there, I reflect today, you know. I remember when we used to near bulgar school and get free milk powder. Back in them the day when you are near bulgar, you know, you a think say I no good thing for you. But since me turn big woman, me realize say bulgur have enough nutrients, fiber, everything put together. Bulgur did good for you. And sometimes when me used to see some of my picnic them I get a white rice, me grudge them, you know, cause me I say me no like this a tasting, bad tasting, sin thing you know, bulgur. But no man, me realize say me did I get the better food. And then how could we forget milk powder? I remember when we used to get the free milk powder at school, you know. From you get in a class, you know, you throw some in your hand, you know, and you know, stop on yam. Stop on yam milk powder. But how much I remember when we used to go home and we used to have milk powder war. Yes, man, we had to play milk powder war till all summer we face full of milk powder. All we uniform and everything full of milk powder because we have pay milk powder war. And by the time you reach home, you're going to get a piece of beating, you know, because uniform dirty and everything. But another thing me remember is when we used to mix the milk powder with the syrup and make I tell you something. Not make you fat, so you know. Sometimes you sit in the night class and if fat them so stink. Or my grandmother said, you pass win. Make me tell you, in milk powder, the man make you pass win, you fat, you poop, whatever you want call it. But regardless of everything, as you reflect, man, and memories that you know, drop a line below, man, and make me hear for no memory of near me milk powder or plain milk powder war when you go home or drinking your milk powder with syrup and not top fat or pass win or poop or whatever what you call it. Have a beautiful morning, afternoon or evening or night. Any which part of the world you know there. Mama Selva. Make me go near some more milk powder. Yes!